Hello and welcome to News 9. I am Nishita, and first up, the 6th ACMM court has granted bail to Devishri Guruji, who was arrested in Krishnagiri after videos of his alleged affairs with devotees were leaked to the media. A defiant Devishri, who spoke to media persons while being whisked away into the police vehicle, maintained that he was innocent and stated that this was a political conspiracy against him. Well, Devishri, who was taken into custody yesterday, has been granted bail today. A special team of HSR Layout Police had tracked him down near Krishnagiri in Tamil Nadu yesterday. Police have also questioned him about an alleged life threat he gave to his car driver, and it is in the very same case that he has managed to get a bail. His medical examination was conducted in Jayanagar Government Hospital earlier in the day, and he was also questioned about his alleged involvement in some cheating and theft cases. And even after he was granted bail and he was being whisked away, Devishri asserted that he is innocent.
ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹಾಜರುಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಸತ್ಯಸಂಗತಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆರೋಪ, ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ ಕೆಲವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಅದು ಬಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Well, the 6th ACMM court has now granted bail to Devishri, and he has exuded confidence, stating that he is indeed innocent. Devishri hit headlines after a video of him kissing a woman had surfaced. This video was allegedly released by his own driver, and when we questioned him as to what he had to say about such an incident, such a revelation, he claimed that he can put an end to it by eliminating the man who disclosed this video altogether. And now Devishri has been granted bail by the court, which has given him a shot in the arm. He has gone on to state that this proves that he is indeed innocent. And while the Election Commission has demanded an FIR against Narendra Modi for displaying the Bharatiya Janata Party symbol after casting his vote in Gujarat, EC has also ordered FIR against channels which telecast his press conference. The poll body directed authorities in Gujarat to take necessary action against the Chief Minister and the media under Section 126 or 1B of the Representation of People Act. The action comes after the Congress had issued a complaint to the EC over the matter.
There were two issues in that. One is when he displayed that symbol, lotus symbol, after having cast his vote, when he was displaying his finger. That is not permissible under Section 126 1B of the Representation of People's Act, because any election matter or material cannot be displayed on television or any channel or anywhere. So this is one. The second is he addressed the gathering over there, made a speech as if he was addressing a public rally. He campaigned, which is also not permissible, because till 6 o'clock today, in view of Section 126, there cannot be any display, any campaign, anything. It's not permissible as far as the election is concerned, and anybody violating, the action has to be taken and must be taken under Section 126 of the Representation of People's Act. And I'm glad that the Election Commission has issued directions for registration of FIR on both the issues.
Well, the section under which he has been booked prohibits any candidate from displaying election material 48 hours before the period fixed for polling. And now the Election Commission has registered an FIR against the BJP PM candidate, and also an FIR against all television channels for telecasting his soundbite during the elections. Well, Narendra Modi, who cast his vote in Ahmedabad today, immediately emerged out and gave a soundbite to media channels. And while speaking, he was holding up the lotus symbol that is usually pinned to his coat. And this lotus symbol was prominently held in his hand even as he spoke throughout for a few minutes. And this did not go down too well with the Congress, which immediately approached the Election Commission. The Election Commission sent across a notice to the BJP PM candidate, and now an FIR has been filed as well. Well, the section prohibits any candidate from displaying election material 48 hours before the period fixed for polling. My colleague Harish joins us with more details on this. Well, Harish, take us through the latest updates.
Well, we are here at the Rane police station. This is where the complaint will have to be lodged. This is where the polling booth outside which this particular speech was taken out by Narendra Modi. And now the district officials have been informed to register a complaint. There has been a diktat from the Central Election Commission stating that there will have to be a compliance report filed by 6 p.m. this evening. So local district administration is likely to register a complaint here, after which Rane police can go forward with what they can do. They will go through all the legal procedures or the options they have in front of them. They will obviously go through the video footage as well to establish, and then perhaps file an FIR or the next step in this entire process, Nishita.
Well, also we understand that this issue is only escalating further now. An FIR has been registered against Narendra Modi. Quite an embarrassing situation for the BJP there.
Well, as of now, FIR hasn't been registered yet, but a complaint is likely to be filed in the next few hours. What we are learning is that there has been a clear instruction given by the Central Election Commission to file a complaint, after which it's up to the state police over here to take up the procedure next due course of action and look at the possibility of filing a FIR or any other legal measures that they will look into. Will they look into a NCR? All these are the options that the police will look into only after the complaint comes through. But as of now, we are here at the Rane police station in Ahmedabad city, and there is no complaint as of now, Nishita.
Well, thank you for joining us with all those details. Well, that's the latest update after initial reports that there was an FIR. My colleague Harish confirming that there is no FIR as of now, but however, there might be a complaint filed in the next few hours. Well, Modi, right after casting his vote, had held a press conference in Rani, during which he waved a lotus-shaped pin that he's often seen wearing on his chest during election rallies. And moving on now, Pakistan Interior Minister's statements on Narendra Modi has been condemned by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the Congress too has asked Pakistan to stay away from the Indian affairs. The minister had gone on to state that Modi will be the destabilizing factor in the region. The BJP has now reacted to the Pakistan minister's statements.
Mr. Modi, nowhere did he talk about the action